Does staring at the computer for hours make you feel tired? Do you suffer from frequent aches and pains? Looks like you could use some help with ergonomics. Ergonomics is a big subject, but basically it's about you and the things that you can do to make your workspace more comfortable. As strange as it sounds, sitting at a desk all day is actually very hard on your body. But if you arrange your workspace with ergonomics in mind, you can avoid things like eye strain and neck and back pain. Here are some tips to help you stay safe, comfortable, and productive all day long. Keyboard position is important. When you're typing, your wrist should be straight and relaxed to avoid any strain. If you do start to feel any wrist pain, you might want to look into certain products that can give you extra support. For example, an ergonomic keyboard. Next, raise and lower your chair so that your wrists are in the correct position. If your feet no longer reach the floor, you can find a footrest. When you're in your chair, you should be sitting in a natural, comfortable position. Try to avoid hunching or sitting too straight. Many office chairs are adjustable and designed to give you extra support in places where you need it, like the lower back. Take the time to learn how your chair works. Your monitor should be a comfortable distance away from your eyes, somewhere between 20 to 40 inches, or about an arm's length. The top of the screen should be about eye level, but this may vary depending on the size of the monitor. If you are working from a laptop, consider purchasing an external mouse and keyboard. That way, you can still place your screen at the proper distance and height while still being able to type comfortably. Adjust the screen brightness on your monitor so that it matches your surroundings. If you're looking at your screen and it feels like you're looking into a bright light, it's too bright. If it looks dark and murky, it's too dim. Some monitors also allow you to change the color so that the screen emits less blue light. This feature might be called night mode or night shift, and some people find that it greatly reduces eye strain. Another way to avoid strain and fatigue is to take frequent breaks. For example, look away from your monitor every once in a while. 20-20-20 is a good rule to follow. Every 20 minutes, focus your eyes on an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds. You can even download apps that'll remind you when it's time to take a break. It's also important to get up and move every hour or so. Walk around, have a snack, whatever it takes to avoid sitting in the same position for too long. Even if you work at a standing desk, it's still important to move every now and then. Clutter is another common problem, and it can lead to strain or injury if you're not careful. In some cases, like loose power cords, it can even be a tripping hazard. If you have paperwork or supplies that can be put away, it's best to store them somewhere else instead of leaving them on your desk. Let's review. Sitting at a desk all day is surprisingly hard work, but a little attention to ergonomics will help you stay safe, comfortable, and productive all day long.